Hello, welcome to our classes. This is multiple choice questions on operations research part 3rd. This has been compiled in view of the examinations to be held very soon for UG and in cases PG students, those who are to write their final semesters on this paper. Now come to the question. Question number 1. In degenerate solution, value of objective function dash. Options are A. Increases infinitely, B. Basic variables are non-zero, C. Decreases infinitely, D. One or more basic variables are zero. Correct option is D. One or more basic variables are zero. Question number 2. Minimize z is equal to dash A minus maximize, B minus maximize minus z, C maximize minus z, D none of the above. Correct option is B minus maximize minus z. Question number 3. In graphical method, the restriction on number of constraint is dash A 2, B not more than 3, C 3, D none of the above. Correct option is A, it is 2. Question number 4. In graphical representation, the bounded region is known as dash region. Options are A. Solution, B. Basic solution, C. Feasible solution, D. Optimal. Correct option is C. Feasible solution. By and large, the correct options are highlighted here. In case of any discrepancy found, will be corrected in my narration. Now, question number 5. Graphical optimal value for z can be obtained from. Options are A. Corner points of feasible region, B. Both A and C, C. Corner points of the solution region, D. None of the above. Correct option is A. Corner points of feasible region. Question number 6. Objective function in linear programming problems has always finite value at the optimal solution. Is it true or false? It's true. Question number 7. A finite optimal solution can not be unique. It is true or false? It's false. Question number 8. Feasible regions are classified into bounded, unbounded, empty and multiple. Options are here true or false? It's true. Question number 9. Corner points of a feasible region are located at the intersections of the region and coordinate axis. It's true. Question number 10. In LPP, the condition to be satisfied is. Options are A. Constraints have to be linear, B. Objective function has to be linear, C. None of the above, D. Both A and B. Correct option is both A and B. Question number 11. Consider the linear equation minus 2x1 plus 3x2 minus 4x3 plus 5x4 is equal to 10. How many basic and non-basic variables are defined by this equation? Options are A. One variable is basic, 3 variables are non-basic, B. 2 variables are basic, 2 variables are non-basic, C. 3 variables are basic, 1 variable is non-basic, D. All 4 variables are basic. Correct option is D. All 4 variables are basic. Viewers, let me request you that if you like this video tutorial, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Question number 12. Identify the type of the feasible region given by the set of inequalities. Feasible inequalities are x minus y is less than or equal to 1, x minus y is greater than or equal to 2, where both x and y are positive. Options are A. Triangle, B. A rectangle, C. An unbounded region, D. An empty region. So it's no common region, rather it's an empty region. It's correct option. Question number 13. Consider the given vectors A 20, B 02, C 11 and D 03. Which of the following vectors are linearly independent? Options are A. A, B and C are independent. B, A, B and D are independent. C, A and C are independent. D, B and D are independent. Correct option is C, A and C are independent. Question number 14. Linear programming is a, options are A, constrained optimization technique, B, technique for economic allocation of limited resources, C, mathematical techniques, D, all of the above. Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 15. The objective function for a minimization problem is given by minimum z is equal to 2x1 minus 5x2 plus 3x3. The hyperplane for the objective function cuts a bounded region, feasible region in the space x1, x2, x3. Find the direction vector D where a finite optimal solution can be reached. Options are here A, D, 2 minus 3, 5, 3, B, D, minus 2, 5, minus 3, C, D, 2, 5, 3, D, D, minus 2, minus 5, minus 3. Correct option is D, minus 2, 5, minus 3. Question number 16. The feasible region of a linear programming problem has 4 extreme points. A, 0, 0, B, 1, 1, C, 0, 1, D, 1, 0. Identify an optimal solution for minimization problem with the objective function z is equal to 2x minus 2y. Options are A, a unique solution at C, B, a unique solution at D, C, an alternative solution at a line segment between A and B, D, an unbounded solution. Correct option is A, unique solution at D. Question number 17. Degeneracy occurs when options are A, basic variables are positive but some of non-basic variables have negative values. B, the basic matrix is singular, it has no inverse. C, some of basic variables have 0 values. D, some of non-basic variables have 0 values. Correct option is C, some of basic variables have 0 values. Question number 18. In the optimal simplex table, Cj minus Zj value indicates options are A, unbounded solution, B, cycling, C, alternative solution, D, none of these. Correct option is C, alternative solution. Question number 19. For a maximization problem, objective function coefficient for an artificial variable is options are A, plus m, B, minus m, C, 0, D, none of these. Correct option is B, minus m. Question number 20. Constraints in an LP model represents options are A, limitation, B, requirements, C, balancing limitations and requirements, D, all of the above. Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 21. The distinguished feature of an LP model is options are A, relationship among all variables is linear, B, it has single objective function and constraints, C, value of decision variables is non-negative, D, all of the above. Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 22. The degeneracy in the transportation problem indicates that options are A, dummy allocation needs to be added, B, the problem has no feasible solution, C, the multiple optimal solution exists, D, A and B only. Correct option is A, dummy allocation needs to be added. Question number 23. If a primal LP problem has finite solution, then the dual LP problem should have options are A, finite solution, B, infeasible solution, C, unbounded solution, D, none of these. Correct option is A, finite solution. Question number 24. If an optimal solution is degenerate, then options are A, there are alternative optimal solution, B, the solution is infeasible, C, the solution is used to the decision maker, D, none of these, the solution is used to the decision maker is the correct option. This was all about this video tutorial. More quality questions will be given on the subject in my upcoming video tutorials. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Best of luck.